With nearly 10,000 fresh cases registered within a span of 24 hours, the COVID-19 tally in India rose to 2,86,579 on Thursday, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare data. India continued to remain the fifth worst affected country after the United States, Brazil, Russia and the United Kingdom. Also, for the first time since the outbreak of COVID-19 in India, the number of recovered cases exceeded the number of active cases on Wednesday. Media reports quoting aviation sector insiders say that air travel demand has been hit due to confusion over different quarantine rules in various states. The confusion and uncertainty has raised cancellations by the few business travelers that airlines are banking on, according to the reports. Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli told Parliament on Wednesday that India had claimed the country's territory by presenting a fake Kali River and stationed its army there. The river defines the India-Nepal boundary. He said Nepal was determined to reclaim Kalapani, Lipulekh and Limpiadura territories it claims were encroached by India and now figure in its maps. Oli also slammed Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's reported remark that Nepal should not repeat the mistake which Tibet made. He said it amounts to undermining Nepal's sovereignty. According to reports, the Congress party has moved all its MLAs to Shiv Villas, a resort on the Delhi-Jaipur highway, to avert what they claim is a coup bid by the BJP. In neighbouring Gujarat too, the Congress is busy protecting its flock ahead of the Rajya Sabha elections. Congress alleges attempts are being made to topple its government in Rajasthan through money power. 3 seats in Rajasthan are up for election for Rajya Sabha on June the 19th. Beijing said on Wednesday that India and China have started implementing the positive consensus reached by senior commanders of the two countries on June 6th and are taking steps to ease the situation along the line of actual control. This confirmation from China came a day after it emerged that Indian and Chinese troops have begun moving back from standoff positions at different points in the Galwan and Hot Spring areas of Ladakh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced on Wednesday that the population of Asiatic lions in the Gir forest has increased, and so has their distribution area. The Gir forest is located in Prime Minister Modi's home state of Gujarat. It is the last abode of the Asiatic lion in the world. The number of Asiatic lions in the Gir forest region has increased by almost 29% to 674, the Gujarat Forest Department said.